sure there's no issues here on the screen. Alright, we're doing box 1 for the eBay breaks. Whoa, that kind of shrunk it down. I wasn't expecting it to do that. Go a little bigger here. 206-027-020 is box number 1. Let's do it. I'll pop open the webcam, show you that serial number, and we'll get cracking. $206-027-020. So we did open up the whole thing. I have that video of the case opening on my YouTube as well as it'll be on the website as well. Good luck, guys, on box number 1 for the eBay boxes. Box number 1 for the eBay boxes. Five packs, a decoy, and that's gone. This feels like a good pack. Alright, base cards obviously don't ship. Let's get going. 1, 2. We have a authentic fabrics for the Boston Bruins of Milan Lucic. Pack 2. We have inked sweaters out of 99 for the Minnesota Wild, Mikko Koivu. Very nice. Ink sweaters jersey out of 99, Koivu for the Wild. Numbering is 37 out of 99. Not a bad hit. Rookie Fabrics jersey, Nathan McKinnon for the Colorado Avalanche. Can't complain about that. The top corner looks a little weak, just judging by what I'm seeing on the screen. But McKinnon, can't complain about that for Colorado. One more base. Authentic Fabrics triple jersey for the Washington Capitals of Ovi, Backstrom, and Holtby. No numbering. Last pack. Good luck, everybody. Authentic Fabrics jersey for the Winnipeg Jets, Andrew Ladd. Andrew Ladd. Oh, actually, we have something else here. Nice. Authentic rookie numbered jersey number, Lindholm for the Ducks. Hampus Lindholm for the Ducks, numbered out of 47. There's a hit. 28 out of 47. Not a bad rookie to get. Oh, well, that was it. Wasn't expecting that one. So that's it for the break. I'm just going to end the video right here, and we'll get on with box 2.